morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. This is MJ Farm Base again on your screen. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so as we post new videos and you'll be able to see it. Today, we are starting a new farm from a scratch. As you can see in your shot, we've started with the land preparation and we've burned the weeds. And here, we'll be starting a new farm here. So this is the update we are giving from our end, so stay tuned as we go along. This is a fruit in our farm. We actually don't really know what the name of this fruit is, but it's very sweet. It's yellow in nature. When you open it up, when it's unripe it's green. When later on it gets ripened, then it becomes brown like this, and it's very sweet. So if you know the name, just drop it in the comment section. Let's get interactive. What is it called in your area? So this is the farm. We'll be planting either maize and cassava here to see how it is going to do. This is a new farming season. Have you yet started a new farm? Does not take too much to start a farm. So we are starting this farm from scratch. How to start a farm from scratch? This is what we are coming to do. So stay tuned and keep watching our channel, and as we follow up with all the updates coming up on this channel. So the first thing you have to do is get a land, pay for the land, pay for workers to clear the land, either manually or with tractor. Whichever ways are available in your area, you do so. So after clearing the land, some people decide to burn, some people too they don't, because the disadvantage in burning is sometimes the microorganisms in the soil, you burn them off, and maybe some other agents in the soil like earthworm and all the living organisms in the soil, sometimes after burning they get depleted, and it takes time for them to regrow and come back again into the soil and perform its job. So that is why some people don't prefer burning the land or the weeded portion of the farm. But for us, we do. And with this farm, we are going to leave it for some time so that the leaves or the grasses will start growing a little bit, and we will apply weedicide onto the leaves for even distribution of the weeds, or to clear the surface evenly, so that when we plant, it will take some time before the grasses will begin to grow. So that is it. So just stay tuned and follow us on our channel, and let's enjoy this journey all together as we go along this farm journey again. This is 2025. There are some new farms coming up on this channel. Just be expecting them. We'll be doing another 1 acre cassava farm in addition to the other one we did in our previous videos. If you've not yet watched our videos before, you just check through the channel, and all the videos are there for you to see. Any information you need about the type of farming we are doing, they are all there for you guys to see. So that is it. We'll be doing a new farm. It is 1 acre of cassava. We have another 1 acre closer to where we did our 2 acres of cassava. We'll be clearing there and equally planting cassava over there. This very year, we would like to make a little bit of profit from farming. Yes, not only just for food, but enough profits to go into the following year to do more farm. Yes, this behind the farm, where our new farm that we are starting from scratch, behind it is a thick plantation which is now becoming a forest. We will advise everybody to encourage people in your area to create forests in wherever you live, so that you have enough shade, and it is going to serve as habitat for like the bush animals and all those things, they will also benefit from it. Not that just we how to call it, we the humans that will benefit from it. So if you have a land which you are not using as at the moment, you can use it for plantation or something to create shade and to create habitat for all the living animal, all the wild animals in the bush which are around that vicinity, to have a hiding place to stay. And this thing also aids in rain formation, cloud formation, which promotes rain. Yes, so that is another benefit for the forest creation. So let's all embrace the afforestation in our areas and keep nature going. Without nature, we will not be here today. So let's do our best to play our part in supporting the cause against deforestation. So keep tuned and see you in our next video.